What's going on, my wellness warriors? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's been a while. I know it has been a while. So just to make this really quick, my name is Lynette. I'm a holistic nutritionist. This is my channel, and this channel is focused on health and wellness, mentally, physically, spiritually, emotionally, and focus on mental health, spirituality, nutrition, food, vegan food, and some fitness. So I've literally forgotten my intro from my all this stuff. It's been a while. So today we're going to talk about this beautiful bowl. If you like super simple, quick vegan food, this is good for lunch, it's good for dinner, depending on you. It's high in protein. It's got your good fats in there. You've got your fiber, which is very, very important. You've got your carbs. You have your flavor. It's amazing. All of your micronutrients are in here. Keep on watching. I'll walk you through it really quickly on how to make it. It's super simple, I promise. And if you want it written down, it's going to be down below in the comments, and it will also be on my Instagram, listed ingredients as most to least. So let's go inside and make this. Okay, so we are back. Now, so what you're going to need to begin is tricolored quinoa. White quinoa works as well, but you want to have it cooked. I sprout mine. You want to have it kind of not fresh out the pot. You want to have it cool down a little bit. You want to have some corn. Whatever corn you have is fine. Some black beans. If you do choose to use canned, rinse them. Some chopped cilantro and diced red onion. Some grape tomatoes. I just cut them up really small like that. Lime juice. Olive oil. Some cumin. Some sea salt, some black pepper, smoked paprika, coriander, chili powder, and Honduran paprika. And a bowl, of course, and with the spoon you have. So I'll show you how to throw it all together. Super simple, super easy. Let's get to it. Alright guys, so it's super simple. Like, I can't even tell you how easy this really is. If you are not a general, cook, this is still pretty easy for you. So I will tell you what I do with the quinoa. If you want me to make a video on how I cook my quinoa, how I soak it and everything, just let me know in the comments. Super easy as well. So basically, just to run through really quickly, I soak my quinoa, I sprout it, and I cook it with a chicken bouillon cube. And I just cook it for maybe 20-25 minutes. When you do soak your quinoa, it doesn't need to be cooked as long. So that is a very good benefit. And I cook my quinoa to different textures. Like if I have tacos, I want it more sticky. And if I have it in like a bowl, I actually want it more grainy. So this way I didn't cook it like I normally would cook it. So if I wanted it stickier, I would cook it much longer. So that's just the quinoa. The corn is the corn, the black beans, everything is pretty much everything. The first thing I do is put the quinoa in your bowl. Dump it on in. Like I said, you don't want it to be like too hot. You want it to be kind of cooled down. A little room temperature is good. So you toss this in. Maybe one of my favorites. So if you have white quinoa too, that does work. Or if you have red quinoa, that works. Then, since it's not, somewhat mushy, just do it like that. Hopefully you guys can see. I'll just try to do this every time. Quinoa in, check. Black beans in, check. Just gonna pile everything over there, right? Check. And then the corn, I just put that in as well. So basically what you're gonna do is just pretty much mix everything together in there. And the cilantro and red onion in. So this is really easy, right? Like you're probably watching this like, why you make a video on this? It's too easy. Well, I posted it on my Instagram, and I got a few inboxes and a comment saying to make it on a video. So, hi. All right. So that's in. Tomatoes in. Now the lime juice, you have to kind of go with your taste. I did kind of put quite a bit. So, I would say a lime and a half for me personally. Mine are pretty small. In. You can always add more lime juice after. Like, I usually put lime juice on the side of mine, like when I eat it. Olive oil as well, you know, get those good fats in there. I personally am not afraid of oil, so I put quite a bit, not too much. And then we'll start with the seasonings. I'll start most to least. That's how I did it on my Instagram post. I did the most first. If you want to go check that out, again, there's my Instagram here. So what I did was I listed everything on there, most to least. And I'll do the same thing in these comments as well. So cumin, I love the taste of cumin. It's got like, I don't know, spicy, but I can't say spicy. So, mine is. So I would say if I was to measure everything, that was about pretty much 4 cups of quinoa, probably about, if you were to buy a can of beans, it'd be about 2 cans, maybe 3 of the smaller, what are they, 13 to 15 ounce cans of beans. The cilantro, I would say, is about a half of a small bunch. The grape tomatoes is about a package of them. The red onions, about a quarter of a smaller red onion. The corn, I would say, is about 1.25 cups of corn. The cumin, I would say, about maybe 2 to 3 tablespoons. The sea salts, pink Himalayan sea salts, you need those 84 minerals, guys. If you are not already using pink Himalayan sea salt, please switch over. You need the minerals that it has to offer. Now this, I would say, I probably put about 2 teaspoons or so, maybe even 1. I would say 1. I don't eat much sodium through the day, but sodium is very necessary. So I don't really eat too much, but you know, for some people they have to track their sodium. Pepper, about the same, probably about 3/4 of a teaspoon. I do love pepper myself. I don't measure things, so this is why it's hard for me to, do recipes. This is about 1 tablespoon of the Honduran paprika, which is, it's a sweeter paprika. It's not like a smoky or spicy paprika. It's a sweeter one. Smoked paprika, I would say about 1/2 teaspoon. Then we have coriander. For the past like 6 months, I've been adding coriander to almost everything. It makes it taste so amazing. I don't know what it is, but it tastes so good. So this, I would say probably about between 1/4 and 1/2 teaspoon. If you haven't had coriander before, I would do 1/4, just a little bit. I like it, so I just add however much. If you want some kick, you can use chili powder. If you want more kick, you can use cayenne pepper powder. So if you don't like too much kick, I recommend doing about 1/4 at most of a teaspoon of chili powder. I like kick, so I'm gonna, go all in there. And then this is what it's gonna look like for you. Looks super delicious. Smells amazing. Like I said, you can add more of something, you can add less of something. It's totally up to you, because we all have different taste buds and we all like different things. So what I'm just gonna do is just mix everything up together. Oh my god, I'm so hungry. Just gonna mix everything. And what you can do, if you're not like ready to eat right away, you can actually put this in the fridge. If you want to eat it cold, you can put it in the fridge for about an hour and let the flavors really merge together. Or if you're like me, I'm gonna literally eat this right now as soon as I turn the camera off type of thing, then you don't have to do that. Or if you want it warmer, you could leave it at room temperature for about half an hour. So I wouldn't do it too long. Or you can cook it if you like, but this is partly raw, so minus the quinoa being cooked. So just keep stirring until you figure, everything is mixed together, all the seasonings and spices are all together. You'll already smell how good this smells. I wish you can smell it right now, but I want you to make it. And if you make it, if you post it on Instagram, tag me. I want to see it. Because this is literally like my favorite summery kind of go-to little quinoa salad kind of thing. And it's super simple. You see, I made literally a lot just from that. And this will last 2 days. So you can make as much as you want. If you want to make yourself a quick dish, go for it. If you want to make a giant amount for your family like I do, in a way, go for it. But this is just for lunch, so it's not like dinner. But you can also have it for dinner. If you want to add rice to it, you can add rice. You want to add avocado, you can do that as well. Does anyone else do that? Right. So that's pretty much it. That's what we have. Super, super, super freaking good. Super easy. Like I'm telling you, it's easy. It's easy. Chef kiss. I'll show you in a bowl. Alright guys, so this is the final product. I personally eat mine with some tortilla and some homemade salsa. I need to make it spicier though. So up close and personal, I hope. Let's see. Let me see. Absolutely not. Okay, there we go. There we go. Little spin, little spin. You see it? You see it? I hope. Oh my god. There we go. So I'm gonna go in my backyard, sit in my chair, and eat this because I'm so hungry. You guys don't understand how hungry I am. I'm working hard prepping this stuff for you guys. So if you enjoyed this video, give it a huge, ginormous thumbs up. Like the video, whatever you want to say. If you appreciate and you want to see more things like this and some other types of things, if you've seen all my other videos, hit that subscribe button so you can come back and hit the notification bell so you're notified for when I do upload something. And I want to say that's it. So yeah, that's it guys. I'm going to go enjoy this in my backyard. And I will catch you guys on the next video. I'm trying not to disappear. I'm really trying. It's very hard. So, you know, TikTok, I downloaded during quarantine and it has absorbed my life. And I say it has absorbed my life, it has absorbed my life. It absorbed my life so much that I haven't been on Facebook for a month. So, yes. And, you know, I hope everyone's staying safe during these times, mentally, physically, spiritually, and emotionally. I'm rambling as hungry as I am, so I will catch you guys next time. As always, choose health, choose healing, choose you. I'll catch you guys